Welcome to our V380 camera tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to connect your V380 Wi-Fi camera, use the V380 Pro software, and provide tips that apply to all V380 series cameras. Let's get started. Explore the camera by identifying the charging port, memory card slot, reset button, and on-off button. To power up the camera, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds until the blue light appears. Wait for the light to turn red and start flashing. It takes a little time to turn red. Now, pick up your phone and go into the Wi-Fi settings to continue the setup process. Next, refresh the interface to find the Wi-Fi network associated with your V380 camera. Click on it and connect. Once the connection is successful, return to the desktop and open the V380 Pro app to proceed with the setup. Next, scroll down slightly to access the monitoring screen. Here, you can set a password for your monitor. Enter your desired password and click OK to confirm. The camera will now enter local connection mode. Click to start monitoring and view your feed locally. Now that you are in local connection mode, you can easily access this monitor later by directly connecting to its Wi-Fi network. This allows you to view its screen via Wi-Fi whenever you need to. Next, we'll guide you through connecting to the internet remotely. On the monitoring screen, click the small icon in the upper right corner, then navigate to Settings. Once in Settings, select Change Device Network. Here, you'll find options for AP hotspot mode and routing mode. Choose routing mode. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks to establish a connection. You can connect to any Wi-Fi network listed. Select Keep to proceed. The blue light should now be flashing, indicating connection in progress. Wait until the blue light stops flashing to enable network monitoring. If waiting too long proves ineffective, exit the software, log in again, and observe that the blue light has transitioned from flashing to solid blue, indicating a stable network connection status. The current screen is now connected to the internet. This means you can view it remotely from your phone, even from a distance. To shut down, press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds, then release it. All lights will turn off, similar to restarting a computer. Upon booting up, the camera will take a moment before connecting, typically within about 20 seconds, though not in real time.